Welcome students for today's video class of topic probability. Okay. So probability means the study of uncertain events or which is the impossible outcomes of an event. Okay. In earlier classes, you know the probability of an event is the ratio of the number of favorable outcomes to the number of all the possible outcomes of the event. Generally, this probability is known as the classical theory of probability. But nowadays, in our day-to-day life, we simply use the word probability means simply possibility or it may happen or most probable. Likewise, we use in general way. But in your class 9th, you study some calculations or collection of data with respect to find the probability. This type of a probability is known as the classical theory of statistical theory of probability. But now here we discuss about the axiomatic approach to probability. So before going to the axiomatic approach to probability, we just discuss about some terms that are first is your random experiment. Okay. So random experiment, that means in mathematics simply experiment. In this way, experiment are of two types. One is deterministic. Next is random experiment. This is deterministic experiment. So the difference between these two is deterministic experiment means in which we know what is the result of this experiment by, and we do the practical of this experiment by using certain process and we get the final result which already we know. But in case of random experiment, it is that means the experiment is said to be a random experiment when it has more than one possible outcomes that means we cannot predict the outcome of the experiment in advance. Okay, that means in random experiment means in this the outcome, that the result is more than one possible outcomes are there and we cannot predict what will the result of this experiment in advance. Okay, for example take a tossing a coin. Tossing a coin, that means when we toss a coin we get either head or tail, but we cannot definitely tell which one will occur. Okay, so this type of experiment is known as random experiment. Next is your outcomes. Outcomes means all possible outcome, the possible result of the random experiment is called the outcome. So again consider this example, tossing a coin. That means these two are the possible outcomes, head and tail. Okay, head and tail are the outcomes. These are the outcomes. Okay. Then next is a sample space. Sample space means all possible outcomes of the random experiment. The sample space, that it is denoted by S. Okay. So again consider this example. Tossing of coin. The sample space we write it as capital letter, that is S. So S equals to head and tail. This is the all possible outcomes of this experiment. Okay. So these are the this is the sample space. Next is sample point. Each element of the sample space is called sample point. Okay, each element, that means in this example, head is a sample point, tail is a sample point, that means these individual are known as the sample point. So these are the basic terms used in this topic. Now we discuss some more examples of random experiment. Okay, so in here, in random experiment, we have to find out what are the sample space in different examples. So again consider tossing of two coins. That means when we toss two coins, okay, and the sample space equals to, suppose first one is head, second one is tail. Suppose both are head, then tail, 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 head, like these four outcomes will arise. So S equals to HT, HH, TH and TT are the outcomes of this experiment. Okay. The next I can take another example, rolling a die. If you roll a die, so number of possible outcomes S equals to, that means in a die there are 6 faces. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These are the outcomes when we roll a die. Okay. Then next take another example, when we roll 2 die. Suppose for rolling of 2 die. Suppose one is black and another one is the blue. Okay. Then for this, if you roll 2 die, then the sample space and the form of pairwise. That means X, Y pair. That means first one is the black die outcome and second one is the blue die outcome. So we write in the pair form. So X, Y pair such that X belongs to B and Y belongs to black and this one is blue. Okay, now we write all the sample space of this experiment. Now that means when the black die, suppose first one is 1, then both are 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. We'll 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. Likewise 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. Then 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5 and 4, 6. Similarly 5, 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5, 5 6, 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5, 6 6. So these are the total number of outcomes of this experiment rolling of 2 die, that is we get here 36 number of outcomes. Okay. So in this way, in this concept, just we find the sample space of the random experiment. Okay. So thank you.